Alright, so let's say you done messed up, crashed your BMW. Trying to drift, as you know, any normal BMW owner does. This is going to be how to fix your CV axle. This model is a 2013 BMW X1 35i with the M package. So yeah, we're gonna go through this thing. Look at this wheel, guys. Oh yeah. No, this thing is hella messed up. So yep, we're gonna start off with fixing this thing, taking it out, and then yeah, let's see where this goes. This is also the first time I worked on any BMW, so yeah, hopefully this is a good time. Look at this wheel right here. It's cracked, but it's still holding air. Crazy. We'll be getting that fixed. Oh my god. Do I need to hit it off? Alright, let's see if this Mickey Mouse tool can help us get this thing off. Okay. There we go. So since you see this piece is broken, I impacted it out and it was coming out weird. Look, this bolt is literally bent, so I gotta go get another bolt from BMW. Yeah, so I'm getting out the other side of it right there. What is it? What's on there? It's like an 11 with the 12-point socket, and then just like an 18 over here. So yeah, you gotta hold that and get it from this side as well. Kind of a pain, but it wasn't too bad. But yeah. All right, yeah, I got this piece out, so you can see. Damn, this thing took a lot of the impact, which honestly, it's a good thing because this is a pretty cheap part. As you can see, it protected a lot of the other suspension components down here. I know the CV axle needs replacing and this one needs replacing, but overall it's not too bad. Yeah, because I know sometimes when you hit the curb like that, like how this one hit the curb, it can be not good. So yeah. All right, I ended up getting this one too. Control arm as well. It was kind of hard because it needed one of these where you had to get it from both sides, but since it was broken in half, I would hit it and it would just like move like this. So I had to get a good amount of I don't know, force on both sides. But yeah, you gotta disconnect this upper control arm, upper middle control arm. All the bolts are 18s, so at least it keeps it simple. But yeah, next I'm gonna need to go to the store and get one of these axle nuts. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Yeah, but I mean, it's going okay so far. So yeah, hopefully we can get the CV axle out, and yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah. Look at this mess. Alright guys, don't hate me for chrome socket on there, but let's see what that chrome socket do. Oh my god. Hell Oh yeah. Hey, we got it out of there. Chrome socket did the job. All right, next, you're gonna have to go back there, get those bolts out. Let me see if it'll focus. Yeah, get those bolts out. I believe it is a E12, but yeah, you just gotta get back there, grab a pry bar to hold it as you get it, so it doesn't spin. But yeah, I'm gonna be getting that out next. So to get the CV axle bolts that go into the diff out, you're gonna want to get this one off its wheel right there, just so you can twist them around. The easiest spot to get them is to come through like the back and just get them right here. Otherwise, the boot's in the way. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, now that we got all the bolts out, let's see if it'll just pull out. Oh yeah. All right, so now we got the bolts out. We can see this is free, the back side. Oh, that's not too much. Now we gotta get this side, which is gonna suck. I'll see you guys in a little bit. But yep, these, the electric ratchet helps a lot. Saves a lot of time. If you don't have one, I recommend getting one. So I disconnected a little bit more of the linkage. Got this bad boy out here. But yeah, now we're gonna go to the store, pick another one of these up, and then put everything back together. Should be good. Woo! All right, it's the next day. I got the new CV axle from the AutoZone. Yeah. One confusing thing about these is there's 2 different lengths that these come in. So originally I ordered one, wasn't the right one. So I decided to take it out and compare to this one. And AutoZone, it was in the wrong spot. So they almost had me order a part. But I came in 2 weeks ago and they had both of them. And this time they only had one of them. And I was like, bro, there's no way. All right, guys, quick update. So the CV axle that I got from AutoZone was not the right one. I spent, what time is it? It's 10. I spent like all friggin' day trying to get the CV axle in, and it was just a pain. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I like to find parts for any certain thing. So I'll start up a new tab. You'll go to car/part. Go on this. You put in your make, model. And for this one, since there is no CV, it usually has every single part. But what I do, if I can't find the part, which sometimes happens, I'll pick a common part, which every car should have, like the seat. Click search. Mine does have the sport package. I'm trying to get as specific as possible, because yeah, these things just have a bunch of different trims and everything. So this one is the exact car that I have. It is a 2013 35i with the M Sport package. So, you know, by all means, it should have the part I'm looking for. So yeah, I'm gonna give these people a call in the morning, see if I can get somewhere with it. It's been pretty frustrating, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, maybe I can actually give that VIN to the BMW dealership to try to see if they have the same part number. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I got the part. Alright, so finally I got the correct CV axle from the junkyard, and I mean, I guess unsurprisingly, they went in just fine. So yeah, I'm getting this in. I'm gonna torque it down. I think it's like 216 Newton meters for the torque spec. So yep, just torque these down. You can jack this up to make this where the car would be, so you know it's not just hanging, so it's easier to get this in here. But yeah, All right, so hammered this bad boy on here. Got that in there. I'm gonna have to bend that in so it doesn't ever come out. I got these suspension pieces all in. Well, at least these two. I haven't tightened it up yet, but now I'm gonna get the replacement parts that I got for the two suspension pieces that originally broke. The $27 OEM BMW bolts. And then, yeah, we're gonna put this thing together. All right, so after that, I should have recorded this, but put the brake disc on there, connected the brakes, put all this in, and yeah, here she is. That's how to do BMW axle. Most of them are going to be the same. This one is specifically for the 2013 X1 35i. There's going to be a couple other videos of this one on my channel, so yeah, stay tuned.